Okay, shall we start now? Yes.
Yes,
So,
teacher.
okay. So, can you tell me which lesson is going on in your school? Which lesson is going on in your school in maths? Yes.
Teacher, fraction.
Fraction is going on. And which are lesson in school they have completed? First lesson is completed. Yes. You unmute. Right now nobody is there, so there will not be any chaos. So you can unmute it and you can reply, okay? So unmute it. Yeah.
Yes, teacher.
Now tell me, first lesson is completed
Yes, teacher.
and the first lesson is which one?
Huh?
Which is the first lesson?
Roman numeral.
Roman numerals, right? So now we are going to study Roman numerals, okay? Can you tell me the numbers? Which are the numbers? Numerals means what? Numerals means numbers, okay? So till now what you have studied? 1, 2, 3, like that numbers you have studied, okay? So what are the numbers? Can you tell me?
1,
Yeah.
2, 3,
Yeah, right.
4.
Good. 1, 2, 3, that you know, okay? But now in this chapter, we are going to study how to represent 1, 2, 3, that numbers you already studied in Roman numerals, okay? Now you have 1, 2, 3, that are Hindi Arabic numerals. What are they? Hindi Arabic numerals. Now we will study Roman numerals. Now let me share your PDF of this lesson. Wait.
क्या कर रहे हैं? करते रहना।
Can you see? Can you see the screen?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Okay. Now see here. Roman numerals. As I told, we have studied Hindi Arabic numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, right? Now in this chapter, Roman numerals means what? Can you see the clock? Can you see the clock?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Yes, no?
Yes.
So can you, now as you don't know, so how you will read it? These are the Roman numerals. Now I will show you how to represent this Roman Hindi Arabic numbers into a Roman numerals. Now just see my board and you tell me whether it is visible to you or not, okay?
तो दिख रहा है। तो फॉलो में। क्या कर रही है? भाग गई।
Yes. Can you see the board? This board is visible to you?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Okay.
Yes,
Now,
teacher.
as you said, numbers, like you said 1. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct?
Yes, teacher.
So these are the Hindi numbers, Hindi Arabic numbers. These are what? Hindi Arabic numbers. Is it properly visible to you?
Yes, teacher.
Right? अब हमें what we are going to learn? Roman में. So how we will represent this 1 in Roman, that I will tell you. So Roman numerals. Now 1 is there. Okay, this 1. So this 1 we will represent like this. Can you see?
Yes,
This
teacher.
way. Now 2 is there. If we are writing 1 this way, so how we can write this 2? Double up
1.
to 1, right? This way. Then 3,
3i.
3i. 4. So that only
One
I am
then
going to, yeah.
1 then
Yes, yes. As you know, so you are able to answer me, but how that 4 come, that I will tell you those rules, how 4 come, okay? Now see, 4 as you said, this way. This is, you said 4. 5. For 5, what you can write? V, correct? For 5, we are writing V. So this is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you already know, very good. Now I will tell you few rules how to write the Roman symbols. First, now see here. Few are the Roman numerals which you have to, we can say, learn and remember so that you can write other numerals. Okay, you all take out your book and write down. Take out your book and keep one separate notebook for the maths. Okay, so whatever we are studying during the class, that you copy in your notebook so that afterwards you can refer it. So first write down Hindi Arabic numerals. We can write 1. Right now you do it wherever you want. Afterwards you keep a record, okay? So write down Hindi Arabic numbers and leave 2 lines and write down Roman numerals.
Hindi Arabic number.
This board is visible to you, dear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, fine. So 1, then 5, then 10, 50, 100, 500, and below you can write 1000 in Hindi Arabic. If you are unable to see, if you are not understanding, you can ask me, okay? Anytime you can ask me, fine?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So as you said, 1 we are writing in Roman numerals or Roman symbols. You can say anything. Okay. So 1 you said, what we have to write? This way. I. Correct? For 5,
yes,
what we have to write? 5V. Okay.
V.
For 10, we are writing X. Correct? So these are the...
50 का L.
Sorry?
50 का L आता है.
50. Yes, good. L we represent 15 Roman symbols. We are representing L. Then 100 we are representing C. Then 500 we are representing D. And 1000 we are representing it by M. Okay. Can you repeat this? For 1 we are writing. Sorry.
तो कैमरा ऊपर बताओ ना बहुत
क्या बोल रहे हो?
दिख रहा है.
Now, are you able to see this?
Yes, teacher.
For 1 we are writing. Can you repeat this? For 1 we are writing.
I.
For 5.
V.
For 10.
X.
For 50.
L.
For 100.
C.
And for 500.
T.
And for 1000 we are writing.
M.
Is it clear to you?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now let's see what are the rules, how you have to count that. Okay. Then you are easily able to calculate and able to write how to write Roman numerals. Okay. Now see. First, can you see this my screen? Your textbook page, can you see?
Yes, teacher.
Textbook page can आपको दिखाई दे रहा है?
Yes, teacher.
ओके सो नाउ देखो अभी जस्ट हमने देखा कि 1 के लिए हम लोग I लिखते हैं, 2 के लिए with this way. So now here Geeta, this clock doesn't have numbers, it has some symbols instead. So teacher, yes Geeta, these are the Roman numerals. In Europe, in old times, Roman capital letters were used to write numbers. That is why they were called Roman numerals. जैसे इंडिया में हम लोग 1 2 लिखते हैं, दैट सेम वे इन यूरोप दे यूज्ड टू रिप्रेजेंट नंबर्स इन द रोमन न्यूमरल्स. ओके 1 को दे यूज्ड टू राइट I, 5 को V. So these are their way of writing numbers. Now in this method there are the ways for 0 also, and value a symbol did change with the place. और यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे कि 1 to 20 how to write by using the Roman symbols. Now see, can you see there is what 2 number is given, 2 Roman numeral is given. Okay, so how you will read this?
2.
This way and this way is given. How you will read? You will say it is in Hindi, Arabic. What you will say it is? 1 and 1. 2. Good. Okay. Now just now we have seen B means what?
5.
5. Correct. So this way we will see the other. Now 2x are given, then
20.
20. How you will write? 110, 210. 10 plus 10 is
20.
20. Okay. Now another example, if this way is there, 2C are there, then what you will say? 2C are there. What you will say? C means what? That you have to remember.
100.
C means 100. 100. How many C are there?
2.
2 C are there. So 100 plus 100 is
200.
200. Just copy these few examples, then we will learn how to write another numbers Roman. Okay, just copy. These are the examples. Okay. Done? Done?
Yes, teacher.
Till CC is done. Okay. Now that I will tell you one rule. Okay. See, there is one rule for writing this Roman numerals. Now rule 1, if you will see, one rule is there. 1 means this I, X, C and M. Can you see this? Rule 1, I, X, C and M. It can be repeated only 3 times. ये सिर्फ 3 ही बार रिपीट कर सकते हैं. 3 बार ही हम लोग ऐसे x x x लिख सकते हैं अगर, और उसको बोल सकते हैं कि इट इज 30. ठीक है. I भी हम लोग 3 बार ही लिख सकते हैं. 1 2 3. So this way only 3 times. 3 times से ज्यादा हम इसे रिपीट नहीं कर सकते. Okay, and this is the first rule. Secondly, what afterwards क्या बच जाता है इसमें? VLD. VLD वो रिपीट नहीं होता है. VLD. V मतलब क्या होता है?
5.
5. L means
50.
50 and D means
500.
D means 500, right? So VLD can't be repeat. Okay. क्या क्या रिपीट कर सकते हैं? We can only repeat I, X, C and M. Okay. ये हम how many times we can repeat?
3 times.
Maximum we can use 3 times their repetition to make a number, right? But VLD we can't repeat. VLD can't be repeat. Clear हो गया? Is it clear
Yes,
to
teacher.
you? Okay.
Yes,
So
teacher.
now see. Okay, fine. Have you mentioned this rule 1 in your notebook?
Yes, teacher.
कि I, X, C and M can be repeated in 3 times. VLD cannot be repeated. Clear? Shall we move
Yes,
further?
teacher.
Okay, very good. Now see. Now if you want to write 6, how you will write 6? 5 and 1 line. Okay. So this way you will write here 6. Now if you want to write 20, then for 20,
Double X.
10 double X. Good. For 2000, 1000, what to represent? 1000 last M. Correct?
M.
So that way M and M will be your 1000 plus 1000, that is your 2000.
2000.
Correct? Now let's see in your textbook. Till now here addition and the symbol numbers like I, X, V, clear? Now see in your textbook, rule number 2, okay? The symbol 1 or a 10 can be repeated consequently for a maximum of 3 times. As the same thing I told you just now, and numerals 5 is never repeated, okay? When either 1 or a 5 is written on the right of the symbol of the bigger number, it is value is added to that value and bigger number. Now here see what it says. अभी मैंने बताया कि 5 रहेगा, okay? 5 is there. 5 plus 1, what we have written? 6. Okay. Can you see in your book examples? Now there is 10. Can you see the second example in a column?
Yes, teacher.
Second example. What is second
Yes, teacher.
example over there?
11.
11 is there. So
10
11,
plus
how
1,
it is now? Yeah. And now can you look at the board here? Look at the board. This is what you will say. ये क्या है? This is what?
16.
So how you will write that you have to see. This is first you have to consider this. This is what?
10.
10. So you will write first 10. Then afterwards, what is this?
5.
So you have to add 5. Then what is this?
1.
So you have to add 1. Then you have to do the total. 10 plus 5 plus 1. That is 10 plus 5, 15 and 1, 16. So this way you have to write the answer. Okay. In school, in exercise, wherever it is asking you to add, you don't directly have to say ki 16. Okay? You have to say ki yes, this x is 10 plus 5 plus 1. Clear hua how to write your answer?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now let's see the rule number 4, which is given in your textbook. Like when 1 is written on the left of your 5 or a x, then the value is subtracted from that value of b. Now I will tell you what it is saying. Okay. Rule number 4, what does it say? Abhi ye kya diya hai? Yes. Will you look at the board here? Now.
Yes, teacher.
You know this is what? What is this? Can you read this?
4.
How you can say it is 4? How you can say it is 4? नहीं पता है.
5 में से 1 माइनस हो गया.
Very good. This is only the rule. Okay. यही आपका rule है कि first you have to label the Romans. So now what you will say? This is what?
5.
This is what? Okay, this you said this is 1 and you said this is 5. So what we have to do? We have to do 5 minus 1, that is 4. So 4 number we can represent like this, 1 and 5. Clear? This is your fourth rule. Now let's see another example. In your this textbook only it is given till 20, so we will only discuss till 20 only, right? Now next example here this. So first you have to label, okay? First is what? This is what?
The 9.
No, directly you don't have to say, dear, because the exam may be when you write, no, that time they will see how you have represented. If you don't understand, you can 10 times ask me, okay? But you have to tell me the correct way of correct. So this first you have to say, yes, it is 1 and this one is
10.
But this one is lesser, it is small number, right? 10 से small hai, correct? And it comes before the biggest number. जो भी biggest number के पहले Roman number smallest आता है, that we have to minus from big to small. Okay, so here bigger number is what? Will you look at the board? Big number is what? It is 10. So 10 minus 1? 9. So this is the way of writing 9. Is it clear? Now you will, okay, fine. All the rules clear? Here, if bigger number is there, listen. This is your bigger number, okay? Bigger number के पहले smaller number होगा, तो that we have to minus from bigger number to smaller number and then you will get that Roman for that number. Clear? Now, tell me what is it? Now you will tell me. You know the rules? Addition rule, subtraction rule, how to represent the Romans. Okay, now you will tell me. What is it? You have to tell me whether we have to subtract or we have to add. Add करना है तो बाद में small numbers होते हैं, so we have to add. But if it is before the biggest, small numbers are before the biggest number, then we have to do what? Subtraction. ये big one है और ये small one है. If the small one is before the biggest Roman number, then we have to subtract. अभी यहाँ पे क्या करोगे? Add करोगे कि subtract करोगे? Subtract करोगे. Good. So how you will subtract? What I supposed to write over here?
10 minus 2.
10 minus 2. That is
8.
8. So this way we are writing 8. No. No.
No,
Then,
teacher.
so this is not a way of writing 8. Correct? How we can write 8? How we can write 8? 8 कैसे लिखते हैं? How we can write 8? We can write 8 like 5 and 1, 2, 3. As I told you that one number we can repeat only how many times? 3 times.
3 times.
So 5 and 8. So this is your wrong example. Correct?
Yes,
And
teacher.
this is wrong. हमें ऐसे नहीं करना है. How we can write 8, 5 and 1, 2, 3.
3.
So this is 8. Okay. Now let's move further. Whatever till now we studied, have you understand?
Yes, teacher.
So this much only there in your this. Can you see there 12? How 12 is written 10 plus in your textbook? Can you see the screen? 10 plus 1 plus 1, that is 12. 7, how 7 can be written? 5 plus 1 plus 1, that is 7. And 18, how it can be written? 10 plus 5 plus 3, that is 18. Clear?
Yes, teacher.
Now you will tell me all the answers from here. Write all the numbers from 1 to 20 using Roman numerals. So 1 to 20, can you do it as a homework and afterwards let me know how you have done it, okay? So in the textbook, write down it as a homework. That 1 to 20 you have to write by using Roman numerals. Fine? Now,
Yes,
write the following numbers using international numerals. Now 5, how you can write 5? Number 5. Anna. And can you tell me what is the next one? Can you tell me the 7th one? What is the 7th one? Just read it and tell me the number.
10 plus
Yes.
5 plus
Yes.
3.
Very good. And that 3 also, dear, we have to write 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay.
Yes,
That
teacher.
not directly 3. क्योंकि 3 का कोई specific number नहीं है, right? 1, 1, 1 is there. Okay. So that's why we have to write 1, 1, 1. Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now, so that you can do second one. ठीक है? That also will be your homework, as you know it very well. You understood and you also had already knows about it. Now come to the third one. Third one. Can you see the third one? There are the numbers,
Yes,
okay, and somewhere it is numerals, okay. So number 3 is given, and then Roman numerals. What you will write for this?
I. In bar 1.
3 times you will write I, correct. And the number, what is the second one over there?
Teacher, 8.
Yeah, it is 8. So that 8 number you will write. Then what is there?
6.
6. So below what you will write?
V and I.
V and I. Good. Next.
12.
12. So above you will write number. Okay. So number and Roman numeral. Next is what?
15.
So what you will write?
X, V.
X, V. Correct. 10 plus 5 is 15. Next. नेक्स्ट इज फर्स्ट नंबर क्या दिया है? चेक द फर्स्ट नंबर.
10.
इट इज 10.
10.
लास्ट इज
10.
10. मिडल
1.
1 है, तो लास्ट वाला 10 है. 10 में से अगर बिफोर इफ एनी स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर इज दैट वी हैव टू माइनस. सो व्हाट इट विल बी 10 minus 1, है ना? तो 10 minus 1 क्या हो गया? इट इज
19.
19. सो कितना हो गया? व्हाट विल बी दिस? 10 already there and this is 9, so it is 19. Clear? So this one is, the last one is your 19. 10 or 10 minus 1 is 9, so total is 19. Clear?
Yes,
Now
teacher.
write the number using Roman numerals. What you will do here? बोलो आप क्या करोगे यहाँ पे? What you will do? Here we have to write Roman numerals, right?
Yes, teacher.
Same as above, how you have solved the how to write the Roman numerals. Now here 9 कैसे लिखोगे? Directly here you have to do. Here don't have to add and then you have to do. If you know very well, you can directly write over here. Okay. So 9
Teacher, INX.
INX. Next.
Woman,
Next.
white. 17 में XVI.
Correct. Next.
4 में INV.
Okay. Then fifth.
7 में X and I.
X and I. Good. Next.
18 में XVI.
Very good. Very nice. So you have understand till here, okay? Now, can you see? I have already told you that L, C, D, M, these are the biggest number. Same chart I have shown you, okay? For 1 V, for 1 I, for 5 V, for 10 X, for 50 L, for 100 C, for D, 500, for M, 1000. This we have studied, okay? So these are the Roman, also a Roman numerals for big numbers. But in this, only till 20 it was given. Okay. Now you tell me, आपको अभी तक ऐसा कुछ है जो नहीं समझा? How to subtract? How to subtract Roman numerals? समझा आपको?
Yes,
Is it
teacher.
clear to you?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. How to add it? That also you understand?
Yes, teacher.
है ना? So you have to add one numbers, not all together and directly write the answer. पहले उनको देखो कि वो क्या है. And subtraction में what we have to do? Can you tell me, explain me कि हमें क्या करना रहता है? 9 के लिए हम कैसे लिखेंगे 9 नंबर को? How you will get that numeral, Roman numeral? 10,
I
9
and X.
9 1 and X लिखोगे, सही है? So
Yes,
how
teacher.
you will get that 1X? Because that X you have to consider that a 10 and that 1 before the biggest number. So 10 minus 1 you will write it as a 9. Similarly for 4, how you will write 4 times 1 1 1 you will write?
No, teacher.
No, na, because 4 times we cannot repeat I. Only we can repeat 3 times. Okay. So how you will write 4? 5 minus 1 you can say 4. So 5 is what?
Yes, teacher.
5 is what? How we represent 5? V. Okay. So V minus I is 4. So how you will write first I and then V. So that is your 4 numeral, Roman numeral for 4. Clear?
Yes, teacher.
So okay, now I am expecting that you will do this as a homework. Okay. Hope you understand everything. Is it clear
Yes,
to
teacher.
you? Yes. You like
Yes,
it?
teacher.
Okay.
Yes.
अभी आपको कुछ ऐसा है जो नहीं समझा?
No, teacher.
Is it clear very well?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So now can you do this fifth one and tell me what is right or wrong? Can you do it in your textbook? See, 4 is given. So this 4 is correct or wrong? बोलो. आपको इंटरनेशनल न्यूमरल्स दिख रहा है?
Yes, teacher.
4 you can see. Roman numerals can you see?
Yes, teacher.
So is it written correct or wrong? That you have to say. Is it correct? 4
No,
times they
teacher.
have written I. So 4 times can we write I?
No, teacher.
No, no, it is given wrong. How we can write? 1 I and 4, right? So write down there. It is wrong. Put it wrong. Then 6th is written correct.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Then next is what?
8.
8 हम ऐसे लिखते हैं.
No, teacher.
Wrong. Then 16.
The correct है.
Okay. And then the next 15.
The wrong.
Because we cannot repeat V, right? V only one time. So it is
Wrong.
wrong. How we will write 15, 10, X and V, right? Because V cannot be repeated many times. It is single time only we can write V. So I hope you understand everything in this lesson. Yes?
Yes,
So
teacher.
I want your homework is like proper, correct होना चाहिए. It should, I should not find even a single mistake, okay? और अगर आपको कोई भी doubt रहे, if you not understand मैम ये कैसे करना है, I just explain. I will definitely explain you in the next class, okay? So shall we wind up over here?
Yes, teacher.
Bye.
Bye, bye, teacher.
Bye dear. Take care.
देखिए लड़का क्या